All right, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch, and today we're going to be talking about some upgrades on the Axial SCX10 base camp, so stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. So yes, we're going to be talking about some upgrades we did on the SCX10 base camp, and if you guys saw my last video, I guess you guys are going to know what we're talking about. But so the base camp, you can see I got the other SCX10 out here, and we on the last episode we put Rock Pirates RC shock towers on both the front and the rear to fix the steering on it. So guess what we did to the base camp? Let's take a look. There it is. So we put the Rock Pirates RC shock towers on it. We did kind of the same modifications that we did on the SCX10 4Runner, and we mounted the original body posts and used some zip ties. We're eventually going to get the body mounts from Rock Pirates RC and get that put on there. But you can see that didn't really have a steering issue on this, but you know, you could turn left one direction, and then when you turned right, it was a little bit limited. Now we don't have that limitation. You can see that we're not getting anywhere close to hitting the that upper panhard mount. But it's the same thing. I had it powered on when I did the last video on this one, but you can see that we're getting a lot of throw this direction now, and we're not even getting close to hitting that panhard mount on the 4Runner. And on the rear end of the base camp, you can see we did this and we mounted that on. I did the spacer modification I just did on the other one to use the original base camp rear body mounts, and that's pretty much our modification we're going to be doing for it today. So we're going to put a little run video of this bad boy running here, and then probably do another video here soon with both of them running. So don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ. I'm out.